It's Adrienne, Wanamaker at Brush and Trowel. Hope everybody is doing well. I know that getting out and doing training is really hard during these times, but apparently all of our applicators are very busy doing installations. And so we wanted to feature our e-commerce site with kits, because that just gives you a square footage and a product and an easy instruction on how to do the application. So if you want to check out our e-commerce site, at brushandtrowel.com, you can just click on the kits and I'll show you here. Give you a little sample. You go right here on our Brush and Trowel and up pops the site, and you just are going to scroll down a few, and these are our Italian lime plaster wall and fireplace kits, and these are the finishes for either a concrete finish, or you can just do a smooth one color, or we've also got the plaster with the metallic paint behind it. So check these out at brushandtrowel.com.